for men, women and children. Exercise 7.01. Perform a blunt cut on a dummy or on a live model. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for a haircut, perform the blunt cut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, cape 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, dummy with medium length hair 1, client record form 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare for the haircut. Fix the dummy firmly on a table. Using a cutting comb, section the hair after removing tangles. Comb the hair back and away from the face and take a center part or part the hair the way the client will be wearing it. Task 2. Perform a blunt cut. Take a center that runs from the front hairline to the nape, dividing the head in two. Identify the apex or crown of the head. Take a parting that runs from the apex down to the back of the ear on both sides. Clip it up. You have now divided the head into 4 sections. Beginning in the nape on the left side, take a horizontal parting, 1/4 to 1/2 inch thickness from the central line. This creates the first subsection. With the client's head upright, comb the section in a natural fall and cut in a horizontal line as per the desired length. Check to make sure your cutting line is straight before moving on. You have created the guideline for the entire cut. Bring down the other sections of the hair which are clipped up. Cut the length to match the guideline. Repeat on the right side. Continue working up the back of the head, alternating from the left section to the right section till you finish cutting all the hair. Now move to the sides of the haircut. Beginning on the left side, take a horizontal parting and using the already cut hair as a guideline, cut the hair straight across below the ears. The scissors will be pointing towards the front. When working on the right side, your scissors will be pointing towards the back. To maintain consistency in your line, use the already cut hair as a guideline till you reach the face. Before moving on, check that both the sides of the hair are cut even. Stand behind the client and check the length on both sides while looking into the mirror. Make any adjustments if needed. Continue working up the side sections until all the hair has been cut. Make sure you stand to the left side of the client's face while doing the left side sections and to the right side of the client's face while doing the right side sections. Cross-check the haircut using vertical sections, making sure you do not over-direct the hair. Trim off any excess hair at the neckline and dust off any loose hair from the client's face and neck. And using a styling product, smooth down the hair. density of the hair will determine the size of the subsection. The thicker the hair, the narrower the subsection. The thinner the hair, the wider the subsection. Hello viewers! In this exercise, you have learned to prepare the client for a haircut, perform the blunt cut. Exercise 7.02. Perform graduated haircut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for a haircut, section for the graduated cut, perform the haircut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, cape 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. Perform the client consultation and hair analysis. Drape the client for shampooing using 2 towels. Shampoo and condition the hair as necessary. Escort the client back to the styling chair. Towel dry the hair. Remove the towel around the neck and dispose of it properly, leaving the second towel in place to prevent excess water from dripping on the client. Drape a cape over the client's dress. Task 2. Section the hair. Part the hair into 6 sections. Begin with the part from the front hairline just above the middle of each eyebrow back to the crown area and clip the hair in place. This will leave you with 3 sections in the front. They are sections 1, 2 and 3. Check that the hair below the ear is left loose and regarded as the 6th section. Make another section from the crown area which ends to the back of each ear, dividing the hair into 2 more sections. Clip these sections in place. These are sections 4 and 5. Task 3. Perform the graduated haircut. Establish your guideline by first cutting the center of the nape section to the desired length in a horizontal manner. With the right and left side of the nape section the same length as the center guideline. Take a small section from the section 4. Comb the section at a 45-degree angle to the scalp. Blend with the nape section hair. Hold your fingers at a 90-degree angle to the strand and cut in a vertical manner. 1-inch wide vertical sections from section 1. Using the already cut section as the guideline and cut in the same manner mentioned above. Continue to cut all the hair in section 5 using the cut hair in the section 4 as a guideline. Comb down section 2 and using section 6 as a guideline, make a horizontal cut. Similarly, comb down section 3 and using section 6 as a guideline, make a horizontal cut. Divide the section 1, which is the center section, to fall on either side of the head. Take small half-inch subsections. Hold straight out at 45 degrees. Comb and smooth it down. Position your fingers at 90 degrees to the strand and cut parallel to your fingers. Follow the same at the other side of the head. Check the cut for evenness and accuracy. Blow dry the cut and view the design, movement and evenly blended ends. Graduated cut make thin or fine hair appear thicker and fuller. Hello viewers, in this exercise you have learned to prepare the client for a haircut, section for the graduated cut, perform the haircut. Exercise 7.03. Perform long layered haircut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for the haircut, sectioning the hair for a long layered haircut, performing the long layered haircut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, cape 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml, styling product 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. section the hair. Part the hair into 5 cutting sections. That is, with 3 sections starting from the front hairline to the crown, the center section is section 1. The side sections are sections 2 and 3. Check that the 2 sections at the back are sections 4 and 5. Task 3. Perform long layered haircut. Begin at the top of the crown by taking half-inch subsections across the head. Comb straight up from the head and cut straight across. Work to the front of section 1 by taking half-inch subsections and following the first cut subsection as a guideline. On the left front section, which is section 2, take half-inch subsection. Comb the hair straight up. Match the previously cut hair from the section 1 and continue working down the side till you reach the hairline. Repeat on the right side on section 3 using section 1 as your guideline till you reach the hairline in front. At the top of the left rear section, that is section 4, using half-inch horizontal subsections, comb the hair straight up from the head, match the length to the top section and cut straight across. Continue using half-inch horizontal subsections and work from top to bottom until the hair no longer reaches the guideline. Repeat on the right side until the hair no longer reaches the guideline. Apply the suitable styling product and blow dry the hair. In this exercise, you have learned to prepare the client for the haircut, sectioning the hair for a long layered haircut, performing the long layered haircut. Exercise 7.04. Perform uniform layered haircut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for a haircut, section the hair for uniform layers, perform the uniform layered cut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, cape 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml, styling product 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. Task 2. Section the hair. To create the guideline, take two partings ½ inch apart from the front hairline to the crown to form the first section. And two similar partings ½ inch apart from the crown to the nape to form section 2. Task 3. Perform the uniform layers. Beginning at the crown, comb the section straight out from the head. Keep your fingers parallel to the head and cut to the desired length. Continue working forward to the front hairline, making sure to stand to the side of the client. Continue cutting the guideline from the crown to the nape, rounding off any corners as you go along. And making sure that your fingers are parallel to the head form. Separate the sides from the back to maintain control and consistency while working through the haircut by parting the hair from the apex to the back of the ear. Work through back areas first. The parting will be wedge-shaped, where each section begins at the same point in the crown and is slightly wider at the bottom of the nape. Work through the right side first. Take a vertical parting that begins at the crown and connects with the guideline, creating a vertical section that ends at the hairline. Keep the section small to maintain control. Beginning at the crown and using previously cut guideline, comb the new section to the guide and elevate the hair straight out from the head with no over direction. Cut the the line by keeping your fingers parallel to the head and matching the guideline. Continue working with the traveling guideline to the back of the hair. Repeat on the left side. When working on the left side of the back, shift your body position so that the tip of your scissors are pointing down and the fingers holding the sections are pointing up. In essence, you are reversing the hand position you used when you cut the right side of the back. Cross-check the entire back area by taking horizontal sections and elevating the hair 90 degrees from the head. Take center section of the top area and divide into small half-inch sections. Cut the top area using vertical partings, using the previously cut section as a guideline. Hold each section straight 90 degrees from the head. Make sure you do not over-direct the hair. Now move to the right side. Work from the back of the ear towards the face using vertical sections. Comb the hair straight out from the head at 90 degrees, removing any corners as you go. Repeat on the left side, shifting the body position so that the tip of your scissors are pointing down and the fingers holding the section are pointing out. Comb the hair down and blow dry the haircut after applying the styling product like mousse and using a vent brush to encourage movement in the hair. A guideline is a section of hair that determines the length of the hair will be cut, located either within the perimeter or the interior part of the cut. It is usually the first section you cut when creating a shape. Two basic guidelines are stationary and traveling. A layered cut is a graduated effect achieved by cutting the hair with elevation or over direction. The hair is usually cut at 90 degrees and above. Layered haircuts generally have less weight than the graduated haircuts. Layers create movement and volume in the haircut. Hello viewers, in this exercise you have learned to prepare the client for a haircut, section the hair for uniform layers, perform the uniform layered cut. Exercise 7.05. Perform a deep U-cut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for a haircut, section the hair for a deep U-cut, perform a deep U-cut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, cape 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml, styling product 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. Task 2. Perform a deep U-cut. Divide the hair into 4 sections. The first section starting from the center of the hairline to the nape of the neck, which divides the hair into 2 parts. Take another section running from ear to ear, thus dividing the hair into 2 more sections, forming 4 sections altogether. Task 3. Perform the cut. Divide the first 2 sections into smaller subsections if the hair is thick to achieve perfection. Bring down now one section of hair and starting from the center, cut with your fingers angled upwards to form a curve. Bring down the other section and using the already cut hair as a guideline, cut straight in the center and slightly angled in the side to form a curve. Observe that the already cut sections are sections 1 and 2. Observe that the 2 sections which are clipped up are sections 3 and 4. Check that section 1 should be taken as a guideline to cut section 3, and it can be divided into subsections depending on the thickness of the hair. Check that section 2 should be taken as a guideline to cut section 4, and it can be divided into subsections depending on the thickness of the hair. While performing a U-cut, use club cutting technique at 0° angle. U-cut should be checked by bringing the entire area to the front of the client's face. Check the hair from one shoulder to another shoulder, whether both the curves are connected to. Observe that this will ensure the U shape is achieved. A club cut is a technique used to cut one-length haircuts. The club cut is also referred to as zero elevation cut or no elevation cut because we do not elevate or over-direct the hair. Club cutting is excellent for thin and fine hair because all the hair are cut in one length, making it to appear thicker. Haircuts are checked using partings opposite those used to cut the hair. If the hair is cut using vertical partings, check the hair using horizontal partings. If the hair is cut using horizontal partings, check with the vertical partings. If the hair is cut across the top from ear to ear, check the cut from the front hairline back to the crown. Hello viewers, in this exercise you have learned to prepare the client for a haircut, section the hair for a deep U-cut, perform a deep U-cut. 7.06. Perform a mushroom cut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for a haircut, section the hair for a mushroom cut, perform a mushroom cut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, cape 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml, styling product 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. Task 2. Perform section for a mushroom cut. Divide the hair into 4 sections. Make one section starting at the center of the hairline at the forehead, which ends at the center of the nape. This will divide the hair into 2 sections. Make another parting now from ear to ear. This will further divide the hair into 2 more sections. Observe that the top 2 sections are called sections 1 and 2. Observe the lower 2 sections are called sections 3 and 4. Now further, subdivide the sections 3 and 4 to form subsections 5 and 6 below the ear level. Take vertical sections which is about 2 centimeters width. Task 3. Perform the mushroom cut. Pull the hair out and make a vertical cut with the scissors going from bottom to the top and the fingers facing downwards on the right side. Using this as the guideline, take small sections of 2 centimeters width and continue to cut all the hair on the right side of the nape. Now move to the right side to cut the hair on the left side, taking a guideline from the already cut hair. Now section 3 and 4 are cut as in blunt cut in straight line from the center to the left and from the right to the center. If the hair in sections 3 and 4 are too thick to handle, they can be subdivided into smaller sections. Move to the right side, bring down section 1. Taking a guideline from section 4, continue the blunt cut near the ear. Move to the left side and cut section 2, taking a guideline from section 3 to complete the blunt cut. Cut sections 1, 2, 3 and 4 are cut horizontally and sections 5 and 6 are cut vertically to give the mushroom effect. Section 1 and 2 can also be brought forward onto the forehead to create a fringe. When this cut is done for children, take a triangle section from the pivot point ending at in front of the both ears. Take small sections of 2 cm thickness. Cut the lowermost section in a concave fringe to blend with a blunt cut on the sides. Bring down the other sections and cut with the first section as the guideline. Apply styling product and using a paddle brush, dry the hair and set it. When mushroom cut is done for boys, clipper can be used at the lowermost section. Hello viewers, in this exercise you have learned to prepare the client for a haircut, section the hair for a mushroom cut, perform a mushroom cut. Exercise 7.07. Perform a shallow U-cut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for a haircut, section the hair for a shallow U-cut, perform a shallow U-cut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, cape 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml, styling product 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. Task 2. Perform section for a shallow U-cut. Comb all the hair back neatly and take a center parting from the center of the hairline to the nape. Make the next parting from ear to ear and divide the hair into 4 sections. Clip up section 1 and 2, which are on the top of the head. Check that the sections hanging down from the head to the client's back are sections 3 and 4. Task 3. Perform the shallow U-cut. Ask the client to turn her head completely to the right side and cut the desired length from the right side to the center on section 4, which is on the right side of the client. Now ask the client to completely turn her head to the left side and request her to stay still. Using the guideline from section 4, which is already cut the left side section from the center to the left. Now you have created a guideline for a shallow U-cut. Bring down the sections 1 and 2, section 1 being the right side and section 2 on the left side. Once again, ask the client to turn towards her right shoulder and using section 4 as a guideline, cut the hair from right to the center. Ask the client to turn towards her left shoulder and using section 3 as a guideline, cut the hair from the center to the left to form a shallow U shape. Check that this is also called as a curve. Apply suitable styling product and blow dry the hair using a paddle brush or a round brush. Applying serum can give extra shine to the hair after a haircut. While doing a haircut, remember always that less is more. Make sure the length of the hair that the client wants to remove or cut before you actually begin to cut. Hello viewers, in this exercise you have learned to prepare the client for a haircut, section the hair for a shallow U-cut, perform a shallow U-cut. Exercise 7.08. Perform short layers or a boy cut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for a haircut, perform the boy cut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, paddle brush 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, trimmer 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, cape 1, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml, styling product 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. Task 2. Perform the boy cut. Make a horseshoe parting about 2 inches below the apex of the head, beginning and ending at the front hairline. Comb this part forward. Take a 2 cm section. From this horseshoe parting and lifting up directly from the head, make a horizontal cut from the right to left. Make sure that this cut is the guideline for all subsection of the hair till you reach the hairline. Take a section now from the apex traveling down to the neck. Take the hair out vertically using the comb and cut the hair to the desired length. Ensure that this is the guideline for all the hair on the back of the head and also on the 2 side sections near the ear. Take small sections of 2 cm width, move from the center, moving to the sides of the ear on. Apply styling product and blow dry the hair using a paddle brush. When this cut is being performed for boys, scissors over comb technique or the clipper can be used to achieve a very short layer cut. Using the length guard attachment along with the clipper is a quick and easy way to create short haircuts. Trimmer can be used to achieve a clean line around the ears and also the nape. Hello viewers, in this exercise you have learned to prepare the client for a haircut, perform the boy cut, perform the boy cut. Exercise 7.09. Perform a forward graduation cut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the client for the haircut, section the hair for a forward graduation cut, perform a forward graduation cut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, paddle brush 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, cape 1, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml, styling product 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. Task 2. Perform section for a forward graduation. Divide the head into 2 sections by taking a parting going from one ear to another, thereby creating 2 sections. Move to the front of the client. Comb all the hair from front 2 sections towards the face and pick up all the hair and lift up to 90 degrees straight out from the client's face. Hold all the hair with your left hand at a single point. Task 3. Perform the forward graduation cut. Make sure you are standing exactly in the center. Now with the scissors in your right hand, make a semicircular cut around your left thumb. Now let go of your thumb to reveal a forward graduation haircut which falls on either side of the face equally. Task 4. Set the haircut. Apply a suitable styling product and with a blow dryer and a round brush, set the forward graduation by dividing the hair into 2 sections, one on either side of the face. Apply some more styling product on rest of the hair using a paddle brush and a dryer. Set the hair going inwards in the back. Forward graduation can be done in other ways. Tying up all the hair from the front 2 sections with rubber bands on the forehead in the center. Now pick up the ponytail. Hold the hair at 90 degrees. And deciding together, the graduation should begin at the chin level or the throat level. Make a horizontal cut going from right to left. Now remove the rubber band from the center of the forehead to reveal a graduation on both sides of the client's face. Hello viewers, in this exercise you have learned to prepare the client for the haircut, section the hair for a forward graduation cut, perform a forward graduation cut. Exercise 7.10. Perform men's basic clipper cut. Hello viewers, at the end of this exercise you shall be able to prepare the client for a haircut, perform the men's basic clipper cut. Requirements: hair cutting chair 1, trolley to keep things 1, scissors 5.5 inches 1, water spray bottle 1, sectioning clips 4, paddle brush 1, cutting comb 1, mirror 1, trimmer 1, tail comb 1, master apron 1, shampoo 10 ml, cape 1, towels 5, conditioner 10 ml, styling product 1. Procedure: Task 1. Prepare the client. Task 2. Perform the men's basic clipper cut. Make a horseshoe parting about 2 inches below the apex of the head and ending at the front hairline. Comb the hair above the parting forward. Starting in the nape area, place the hair cutting comb against the scalp, teeth up. Angle the comb against the scalp from 0 to 45-degree angle, allowing for a natural contour of the head. Cut the hair that extends through the teeth of the comb. Repeat the above step as you move up back of the head. Blend the length over the curve of the head by cross-cutting horizontally from side to side. Shape the back center area first from the nape to the parietal ridge. Then, still using the clipper over the comb technique, cut both sides of the back from ear to ear. Carefully blend the lengths over the curve of the head by cross-cutting. Using a small number attachment from the clipper, cut up each side from the sideburn to the parietal ridge. The hair lengths will be very close to the scalp. If the client wants longer sides, the weight on top should not overpower the sides. It should blend. If the sides are very short, the top should be cut shorter to blend. Measure the distance from the eyebrows and the natural hairline to establish an appropriate guideline for the length in the crown area. Cut an arrow guideline at the crown end of the horseshoe parting. Determine the length by the forehead measurement. Beginning at the crown end, cut the top area in the clipper to the exact length of the initial crown guideline. As you move towards the forehead, pull the hair back toward the guideline in order to increase the length at the forehead. Using the clipper and attachment, shorten and shape the hair around the ears and sideburns. Continue to cut the hair until the shape of the head and the length of the hair in harmony. Use a clipper or trimmer to blend the outline, the perimeter of the haircut. The clipper over comb technique using the front teeth of a barber comb may also be employed here. Use styling product like gel for wet styling and mousse for blow drying. Hello viewers, in this exercise you have learned to prepare the client for a haircut, perform the men's basic clipper cut. Thank you.
नमस्ते दीदी, आप इस बार किस प्रकार की ऑनलाइन सेवा उपलब्ध करा रही हैं?
नमस्ते रोहन, इस बार मैं आपको विभिन्न प्रकार की सिटीजन